Hey folks, I just wanted to take you along on a little journey with me to take a gander at a piece that I made a few years ago now, probably, yeah, 3 years ago. And it's a giant wildlife relief carving in red oak. And yeah, let's take a look. Come on. All right, so they made this really beautiful little path around it. But this is the little fawn hiding under there. She's getting a little dark now, but and around the bend, we have Mama with her oak leaves, and you can see the parallels here. So there's that, and then some leaves all the way around, and their dog Jojo. Of course, going up the piece, you can see there are squirrels, and I can't believe how much relief, how deep I went with the relief on these. They're like practically completely undercut, these oak leaves in the middle, and a bunch of random acorns. And then up top we have a cardinal, just kind of a roughly carved, sort of like abstract-ish maybe, or stylized. So today I'm going to be doing a little bit more carving up in the upper corner here. There's some rot, so we thought we'd get rid of the rot by just sort of addressing the carving up there and making some more leaves. And yeah, I'm gonna go take a look up at the top of it and with my ladder and just make sure everything's good. I'm gonna probably try and use some urethane to coat the exposed parts of the tree here, just to keep it from rotting as quickly, just protect it. And so as the bark comes off, I told the client we're just gonna continue to spar urethane it. And so yeah, anyway, that's that. I wanted to show you this project. This was a super fun project. You can see the little flowers in the collar, and it's just pretty fun stuff. So, all right, so I'll show you exactly what I'm working on. I'm just working on this little area up here. So I had this leaf in already from years ago, and it was just sort of isolated by itself. And Anne made a good point that it would look nice to have just maybe a few more, so it looks a little bit more intentional. But one of the things I love about this is of course the fungus, mycelium, whatever it is, starting to darken the wood. And I was worried that as I carved in this wood surrounding the leaf that I made, again, this was like 3 years ago, that these would look too bright and maybe pop too much and not blend in. But the growth mycelium's gone all the way through and dyed the wood, which of course brings the longevity into question. But I'm gonna seal it, and you can only do what you can do. But I do like the color, so I'm happy with that. So anyway, just thought I'd show you. I just kind of roughed these in quickly and started texturing them, and I'm gonna see what the client thinks. But as far as the rest of the carving goes, we just decided to maintain the original exterior. I'm just gonna, like I said, I think before already, just put some spar urethane on it. So I don't think really any other serious carving. I'm gonna come up top the carving. Actually, I'll show you, hold on. Hey, squirrels. And I'm thinking of doing something to the top of this piece. It's definitely a little, I don't know, I wanna make sure water is coming off of it. And what I did is I created a peak here. It's kind of hard to tell, but it peaks up at the center, and so that things will come off of it. But I might make this angle a little more dramatic to prevent ice from building up. So I might make it a little bit more of like a sharpened pencil, just to keep the moisture from staying on here in the winter during the thaws. So might prevent it from rotting quite as quickly. But yeah, so that's basically it. I'm gonna come up here with my chainsaw, and when I'm done, I'm gonna seal it up. So don't have the sealant today, just gonna work on the carving. All right, let's do it. All right, guys, so here's kind of the final update for today. I'm gonna wait on the client to get back to me and let me know what she thinks of the work that I've done. These are some old trilliums that I carved in honor of her mother who passed while I was carving this. So very sad, but anyway, so I set in a few leaves in here. I'm gonna do a little bit more refining to these leaves with smaller tools. This is mostly chainsaw. I did a little burning and texturing of the background of the leaves to kind of set them out. I pushed them in behind this bark layer. I also went on the other side and created some leaves from up on the ladder, kind of tucking in beneath one another and going all the way to the top. This was an area of rot, so we decided that we would try and get rid of the clinging rotted wood and put some leaves in place. And I like that they're kind of subtle, they're not sticking out too much. I'm gonna clear coat those when we come back. But otherwise, that's that. I thought I'd show you what I'm up to thus far. So just gonna show you a quick update when I'm finished, but this is pretty much it. And that's a wrap. Thanks for watching, guys. Once again, this has been a little update for you. So yeah, I did kind of deepen some of the areas around the leaves a little bit, and get the Dremel in there and thin them and get them all nice and textured. So those are looking pretty nice. And yeah, I came over and of course, as I mentioned before, I detailed up there a few leaves, and that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed, and take your vitamins. Bye.